if you're a Webflow user, here are a few things before you integrate it with ContentStudio. You'll need the paid version of Webflow. Select the project you wish to connect with ContentStudio. It will redirect you to its editor. From the left panel, go to CMS Collections. Click the Settings option to edit an already existing collection or create a new one. Fill in the fields as required. Make sure you add at least one custom field. Select Rich Text. Under Label, write the word Description. This is necessary to help ContentStudio publish your blogs. Save your changes. Now, let's integrate Webflow with ContentStudio. From the ContentStudio dashboard, head over to Blogs and Websites. Scroll down and connect Webflow. Select the websites you want to let ContentStudio publish to, then select Authorize Application. When you're done, you'll be redirected back to ContentStudio. Here, select the websites you want to connect with ContentStudio and click Save. Let's publish a blog post for Webflow now. Head over to the Composer section and Blog Post. Compose a blog to publish to Webflow. When you're done, in the Distribute section, select Webflow as your primary blog platform. Select the Webflow website and the collection you want to publish your blog to, and publish away.